Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about one more interesting book, Homo Deus, written by my favorite author, Yuval Noah Harari. Homo sapiens, they are evolved from their ancestors, and the evolution is still in process. So Homo sapiens will get evolved in a different species, Homo Deus. So humanity and human beings will get replaced someday because nothing is permanent. In this book, author has tried to predict our future with our descendants. He talks about Homo Deus, he talks about artificial intelligence, he also talks about Homo sapiens. Will they coexist? If they coexist, how will they interact with each other? In this book, author has tried to predict the future based on present and history. He also makes it clear that the actual future might be different than this prediction. But this prediction is the best what we can get from our current knowledge and our current mind. In the process of evolution, our mind will get also evolved. And the new species with new mind, what they will think and what will be their priority, we cannot predict that. But this is the best prediction what we can get today. Author says, till this date, famine, plague and war, those were the major challenges faced by our species, and most of them are solved in most of the world. In rest of the world, they will get solved sooner. At present day, more people die because of overeating than malnutrition. More people die because of diabetes than war or terrorist attack. And then his unique style, author says, sugar is more dangerous than gunpowder. And another statement, Coca-Cola is more dangerous threat to United States than Al-Qaeda. Makes sense, right? If it makes sense to you, hit that like button and let me know in the comment section. If you have read his previous book, Sapiens, you will find a similar writing style over there as well. He says, in evolution, we did not domesticate wheat. Instead, wheat domesticated us. I was shocked to read this, but then he explains how wheat got more benefited than human beings in the deal between them. I really like this author and his writing style and the way he explained everything. I really like that. I recommend every book he has written, and I want to read all of them. If you want to know more about Sapiens, the link to video review is mentioned in the description. If you want to buy this book, the link is also mentioned in the description. Then author has also tried to predict our agenda in the future. Till date, famine, plague and war, those were the three agenda we had in our mind, but since those are almost solved, we'll have a different agenda now, and he has tried to predict that agenda. He also talks about the relationship between superhumans and humans. If you want to know more about it, you can think about the relationship between human beings and other animals. Think how we treat animals. The animals which are useful to us, they are grown in numbers. But the animals which are not useful to us, they are on the verge of extinction. Even if the domesticated animals like pigs and chickens, they are grown in number, think about their miserable life. They grow in cages where they can hardly move, never mind walking. So this will give you an idea about our relationship with animals, and this will also give you a hint about relationship between superhumans and humans. This book has total 448 pages and it was originally published in 2015. Dr. Yuval Noah Harari, he is a well-known historian and a philosopher. He is also an author of best-selling books like Sapiens, Homo Deus, and then 21 Lessons for 21st Century, and then Sapien, A Graphic History, his recent book. His books are published in more than 60 languages. He has a PhD in history from Oxford University, and he currently lectures in Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Friends, if you like this video, hit that like button, let me know in comment section. You can share this video with your friends. And my name is Amol. Thank you for watching. I would recommend subscribing to this channel because more interesting book reviews are coming soon on this channel. Till then, bye bye.